we have our room. Thank you. So I've got a warm roll, got a few cheeses, some fruits, with some yogurt and oranges. I'm actually going to go and grab up an egg. The eggs have been done for 6 minutes, so that means it's going to be a little bit runny on the inside. Oh, that's good juice. This is so cute. Okay, as you can see, breakfast was very, very good. They actually had a lot of stuff available here, and now we are making our way out of here. And I'm thinking of having a quick half an hour nap before I start my work. Oh wow, it's so light already. That is a space that we had to drive through to get to the car park. This looks so cute, doesn't it? This is so cute. I love this. I'm ready to start driving. I really didn't think that I'd make that out in one go. Okay. And then all of a sudden, the back of the car gets scraped. Okay, so the car park should be on my right. Coffee, whoa, what is going on in here? You're gonna have to open your window because I am not the driver apparently. I don't know where we are. So these are all the fast charging points, but all of those spots are taken. So we are now not actually charging, we just left it because the app didn't even download on my phone. It was a new app that I needed. But let's just try and get out of here so we can just go outside and explore the city a little bit, get a nice coffee and a little bit more to munch on. Oh, that's a nice colour. There we go, that's perfect parking. That's really cool. So we've just come out of that. That's really cool. So that's where we're gonna go across the road there. How do we cross the road? Whew, it's a bit chilly today. I can't believe that car park, that's really cool. They're very fancy here. I think that car park said something about 50 minutes for €3. So we'll know more when we try and exit. We have a lovely zebra crossing. We tried to park on this road, but unfortunately there was no parking. Ooh, looks lovely in here. Oh wow. Oh, they got salmon over there. Which one are you feeling? Do you want to get that one? The food just looks so well presented. Like, I want to eat all of this. Give me one of each. Look how good that looks.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's done. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we are having another breakfast today. We woke up at 7, got ready, went and had nice breakfast, then came back and I just wanted to sleep again. Even though I slept loads, I just wanted to have another little kip and then snooze my alarm 3 times before I eventually got up to do some work. That reminds me, before we start driving, I've got to edit the last video and do the thumbnails. So this is where we are. You got the salami. Ooh, nice. Oh, hello. Got a nice mustard kick in there. That's really nice. So I have picked up the smoked salmon bagel with cream cheese and some greens and thinly sliced cucumber. I love thinly sliced cucumbers. But let's try this out. I like the bagel you got there. Looks like it's really soft. I like my one, but mine's a bit hard. This is so good though. I like making this at home. Cream cheese, cucumber, smoked salmon. Finished my coffee, went and got another hot chocolate because I wanted something. Because I just wanted another drink. And I got us a sweet treat. Double chocolate chip cookie. I had to do that. It's so good. You don't want to eat? Okay, I'm gonna have some. It's really good. Everyone's crossing together. She's gone completely the other way. We go through there to get to the car park. German engineering, love it. I actually really like it here. Everything. I see a willow tree. Wait, how'd you call the lift? Oh, you go inside first. That was silly. Where am I inserting? That's flashing, that confused me, okay? Ah, that is so funny that you mentioned it and I didn't see it. Gobble, gobble. Thank you. That is really cool. Good engineering, Germans. We're gonna go to the car. We're making our way through Germany. We are currently in Frankfurt. And later today we're gonna be in Nürnberg. Why is this guy parked like this? Their car parks, oh my god, they're actually really good. I have to look for pedestrians here. Use the mirror to the left. Look, there's a mirror right there. That's cool. Here we are. And then we come out and we're making a right. I don't know what that building is in front, but that looks cool. Looks like some sort of history museum. Okay, so we've got about 210 miles to go, so we'll definitely fill up fuel. We've got 222 kilometers to do, which is more than enough because it's in miles that I've got it here. But let's try and fill up somewhere before the services. Look at the architecture around here. Look, there's that building again. Oh, it's got like a little Pegasus at the top. And here we have Rapunzel's Tower on the right-hand side of the road. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. I can't, I cut it. And it didn't grow back because it wasn't magical hair anyways. So this was there years ago, and then the buildings have been turned up thereafter. So the tower is not plopped in the middle. The middle was built around the tower. Here we go. Bye bye Frankfurt, you've been lovely. Bye. What's actually inside? Cafe and bar. That's actually a cafe in there. I did not know that. Had I known that, we should have gone in there. How much do you think a drink would cost in there? Probably like double the price, just because you're in there. So that man is literally hand painting that bicycle on the floor. That looks like quite a hazardous kind of job, doesn't it? Like you have to just, there's not even enough cones around him. He's doing a really good job with the drawing of the cycle though. When we go forward, I'm gonna go far right so that the blue car next to me, you can go now, so let me go more this way, give you space to do whatever you're doing. Cycle lane. Oh, look at that. That looks cool. We're gonna go straight, but that looks really cool. Okay, so we finally made it to another charge point using this thing here. Ah, there we go. Hello. You just caught me in my natural environment, editing. We need to finish this and then make our way to Nürnberg. Okay, so we are now officially getting back on the road. We've been at the services. Give me a second. There we go. We were at the services for about an hour and a half because I needed to finish my work. I need to start doing this earlier. I'm running out of time because I'm trying to do 2 different vlogs and driving and actually enjoying myself. Oh, and also the car is fully charged. We've got 49 miles with the electric just over here. So we managed to do that now. I don't know how much that costs me, but we shall find out later. I think we're really high at the moment because we've got really dense fog around us. The road's actually okay at the moment, but it is getting patchy in parts. Oh my god, this is such dense fog. All of a sudden, I couldn't even see that bridge. Wow. It feels like we're going through clouds right now, let alone fog, you know? So this is when you would use the fog lights, guys, because visibility is definitely dropped at the moment. I don't understand how these guys are actually going this fast. Like, I'm already at 125. I'd love to know the elevation level of like how high we are at the moment. So we had to follow some diversion and look at where we've ended up. All the lorries turned around, but this is so cool. We're literally going through the smallest tunnel. Oh wow, oh my god. This place is so cute. That's so cool. So the lorries are gonna go the much longer way around. Isn't this just the cutest little town? Hello, it's me y'all looking for. This is such a cute little town. We are coming up to the end of the road. Hello. Oh wow, okay, this is it. This is where we get back on track. And then there's congestion. Whoa. Mr. Lorry driver, you're gonna give me way. Hello. Your key is not inside the vehicle. It is. The key is in the vehicle. The key is right here. That was weird. I put it on the key slot. The key slot's right here. I don't know if... Well, this might be a dead end. Yeah, it might. Well, this is a dead end. Why was it telling me to go this way? Got to the bit where they're actually constructing the road, mate. What on earth? Yeah, the red barrier was definitely a giveaway that I shouldn't be going down this way. But let's not trust Waze again. The car's gonna be so filthy now, you know that. Can you hear all the dirt that I've picked up? Oh, God. So the reason why there was so much traffic is because this lorry is doing some work. And, well, our side of the road's completely blocked. Oh, he's the last one. Okay, here we go. Do the cars move?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. But however, it's dangerous. It shouldn't be more than 2,000 kilograms because a few months ago a car fell down.
This is hotel number 3. We've just checked in and it's a very nice fancy hotel. As soon as you go in, you're greeted with this lovely penthouse kind of looking room. You got all this lovely space here. You got a massive bed, okay? It's all good. The bathroom is just in this space here. And then you go through here and there's another bedroom. What is going on? I think we might even have like a... Whoa! Hey, we've got a balcony. This might actually be like a fire escape. But this is Nürnberg. That's quite cool indeed. Looking like a wow in my balcony. Oh wow. Okay, I want to quickly get ready so we can head out. I think we might actually have to get on the tram today. This is where we are. We're in the hotel and we're just about to head out. They have like a cute little outdoor area here. We actually have a massive room with like 2 double balconies. So this is just the main road. We have a petrol station across the road. We definitely could have parked here for free. So there was a tram right outside that we could have got, but we just ended up ordering an Uber instead.